Dear students, today I am going to explain you about business objectives. As a part of your grade 10 lesson number 1, business objectives. As customers, all of us have an objective. As a customer, we are having the objective of obtaining quality goods at lesser prices. That means we are going to obtain goods and services at a reasonable price from the market to fulfill our needs and wants. As we are having objectives as customers, any business also having their objectives, because we know there are many parties related to a business. As an example, owners, employees, managers, customers, suppliers, government, society. They are having a lot of objectives to be fulfilled from a business. Therefore, any business have their own objectives. If we take these objectives, we can divide it into two: main objectives and sub-objectives. Main objectives and sub-objectives. If we take these main objectives, we can identify two main objectives of any business. First one is earning profit. By starting a business, any businessman wish to earn a profit from that business. That means the income should be higher than the expenses of the business. Any business expects to increase the profit. That means maximization of the profit. Then if we take the second main objective, is the increasing customer satisfaction. The customer is the important party for any business. Therefore, any business has to satisfy their customers to earn a profit. Therefore, any business needs to increase customer satisfaction. Then if we move to sub-objectives of a business, it can be differ from business to business. As an example, any business will have sub-objective of increasing the quality of goods and services. To earn a profit, any business has to provide quality goods and services. Then only customers will purchase these goods and services. Therefore, the quality should be increased of any product that produced by any business. Then if we take another sub-objective, it is generating employment opportunities. Any business has to provide employment opportunities to the society. As an entity which obtain raw materials from the society, it has to make a contribution to the society. Therefore, any business has to provide employment opportunities to the society. Then if we take another sub-objective, providing employee welfare. Businesses are getting the works done through their employees. Therefore, they have to provide employee welfare. As an example, a business should provide employees transportation facilities, accommodation facilities, and medical facilities for their employees. Then only they will have satisfaction with the business. Then they will provide the higher contribution to the business. Then business can achieve the objective of increasing profits. Therefore, we see that there is a relationship between these main objectives and sub-objectives. Business has to fulfill all sub-objectives. They have to achieve sub-objectives to achieve their main objectives. To achieve their main objectives. Shall we consider a summary of this lesson? Business objectives, we can divide it into two, main objectives and sub-objectives. If we take main objectives, there are two main objectives of a business. First one is earning profits. Second one, increasing customer satisfaction. And if we take sub-objectives, there are three sub-objectives of any business. First one is increasing the quality of goods and services, generating employment opportunities, employee welfare. If we take any business, sometimes these sub-objectives may be different from business to business. You have to study the summary of these objectives. Thank you very much.